Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Argan back with a new video. And today, as you see this freaking hair, it's like out of control today. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do my 2 bun tutorial. I want to show you how I put my hair in 2 slick buns. When I mean slick, it is like slick. As you guys know, I have very thick, not very thick, but it's thick hair. I don't blow dry my hair. I just leave it in its natural state, and I just basically pick it out so I can, you know, put my 2 buns. I've been trying. I haven't always done this style. I just tried this style not too long ago. If y'all know Arnell on YouTube, I don't know. I'm not sure her last name. How you say her last name? But Arnell. She has a twin. Her name is Alyssa Ashley. She had the 2 buns in her hair, and I was like, I can definitely do that. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna show y'all what I use, my tips and tricks, and all this good stuff. Guys, I'm hungry. It is, what time is it? 10:28, and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna take my hair out. I have cornrows in my hair because I was wearing my wig, so I had cornrows in my hair. So what I'm gonna do is basically take a rat tail comb. I don't know if you ever been to hair school. That's what they call it, a rat tail comb. So I'm gonna just basically part this as straight as I could. My hair looks crazy, like literally crazy. So I'm gonna just part this as straight as I can get it. Honestly, I don't even care. Ooh. Honestly, I don't even care. I care that if it's straight while I'm looking at it, but back there I don't care. Does that make sense? Okay, so. I'm so happy. Okay, so I parted the hair. I parted the Red Sea. I got little flakes over there, so we're gonna put some grease. This is the grease I had in my natural hair favorite, my current natural favorite products video. I will link that down below. We're gonna put that there so it won't look dry or whatever. So yeah. Now, what side else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this side first. But first, we gotta pick it out. Oh, my hand hurt. Okay. It's kind of stretched out, so it's an awesome thing. Okay, we are stretched now. Now we are going to use water, a water bottle. It's got orange hair on it. A water bottle. We're gonna use some Crème of Nature edge control. Like, this is a throwback. No Thursday. I'm gonna use this little toothbrush that I got off Amazon. When I mean this lays your edges, like this is the edge layer, okay? And I'm gonna use this brush. This brush reminds me like back in the days when the dudes used to, well, not back in the days, but now when the dudes try to get their little waves popping or whatever, they use brushes like this. When you got thick hair and you want to slick it back, this is the best brush to use. Okay, so now I'm gonna just basically, I'm not gonna wet the whole head. I'm gonna just wet basically like my edges and stuff, and just the root, right? And this is just warm water. There's nothing else in there. There's no other product. It's just warm water. So now I'm gonna take the Argan edge control. I'm gonna use it for my edges as well as the bun. So I'm gonna just put that in my hair. Put that in my hair and just warm it up and just slick it down. Put it on my edges. I'm not gonna touch the other end of my hair. I got orange strands in my hair. But anyway, so I'm gonna take this brush and just slick it back. I'm gonna also take these little parts out. I like using, you know, curling that up on the side. That's just me. So we're going to put this inside the bun. Okay. Now we're going to gather. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these little ties. I only use one. So I'm gonna just basically get it nice and tight, the tightest I want it. Not too tight, I don't want to, you know, cut off oxygen to the brain. But wrap it around like 4 times. Then that last time I just pull it through. Just like that. Boom. Right? So I dip my brush into the edge control. Like boom. Like that. Just like that. Like so. And I just do the naps. And the edges. Let it slick real quick. Yo, this came out better on camera than I do on a regular basis. Like what? And as well, I just take some hair and I just wrap it around so you cannot see what actually I use, which it really doesn't matter, but I just want it to look like a little nice little puff. Okay, so now I'm gonna basically do the same exact thing, but I'm gonna try not to hit this bun while I'm trying to put this bun together, if y'all get what I'm saying. I'm so happy. Have a hard time getting these to look alike. I have a very, very, very hard time trying to get these to look alike. It's the same way. So now we're gonna just brush it down. I don't know, for some reason this side lays way better than this side. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm right-handed. I don't know what it is. But we all got that one good side. We all got that one good side. Now I feel like my part is not even my part anymore. Like my part is just doing whatever it wants at this point. Right? Alright, we're going to just lay the edges. So I just go in with this little brush. I'm going to link this down below. I got it from Amazon. This brush is a lifesaver. It's better than a toothbrush. This is ladies' videos. Now, to get my little things, I just wet it like a little bit. I just put a little wetness on it, and then I take the edge control and I just saturate it and just curl it around my finger. I hate when this does this. So then I wet it again. Loosen it up. It's better when it's like super saturated and dry. I mean, it got to be super. Hair got to be soaked for it to really curl. See? Boom. So now we're gonna do the other side. Boom. So now edges is laid. Buns is popping. They might not look like, you know, they belong to each other, but you know, they belong to each other. They are on the same head. So, I'll just lay it on my edges. Like right there. Boom. I lay my edges. I don't tie it too tight because I don't want to mess up the buns. And I don't tie it over my little curls that I just created. So then I'm gonna leave this on, do my makeup, open the hair and tan. Yeah. Woo! Woo! My buns is out of whack a little bit because they was under the scarf. So my hair is laid. I never had it stay on the scarf, stay under the scarf for this long, but I think I will let it stay because it will stay under here for like a half an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I get my two buns slick. Please, if you have like thick hair like me, this brush from Amazon, I forgot the name of it, it's Curve something. This brush is bomb AF. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see this makeup look, please watch my next video. This is going to be a part 2. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you get notified every time I upload, so you won't miss a beat. Because YouTube be trying to play us YouTubers and not having our videos pop up in your subscriptions. Sorry. So you need to get this going. Join the Nay Gang. I love you guys so much. If I said that already, I'm gonna say it again. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. See y'all guys in the next video later.